Harvesting giant vegetable leaves in the greenhouse. Hello, welcome to 7 Savings Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all new videos. So today we're gonna be harvesting a couple of different vegetables in the greenhouse. The first one is sweet. Over here is bitter leaf. So we're gonna harvest bitter leaf first, and you can see the leaves. The leaves are huge, giant leaves. Let me show you how big they are in comparison to my hand or my face. Let me put it on my face. See how big the leaves are. So I have never seen leaf this big, and it just keeps going and it's doing well. So I think reasons for this will probably be the compost tea that I've been putting in there, and some other organic fertilizers that I've been putting in there, and compost and everything. So everything is really doing really well. The leaves are just exploding with growth. So they're doing well. So we're gonna continue harvesting the rest of them. We have a couple of different things that we're gonna be harvesting in the greenhouse today. We're gonna harvest bitter leaf, we're gonna harvest Anchia, and we're gonna harvest sweet bitter leaf. So those are the three things we're gonna harvest in the greenhouse today. So we're gonna show you the leaves, and we're gonna show you the various things that we're harvesting in the greenhouse. So you can see the stem after harvesting. So harvesting like this, we're gonna get new growth coming out. You can see some of them have new leaves that are going to come out from those. Over here on this side, you can see these other leaves are also still bitter leaf. The leaves, you can see the size of the leaves, they're also very big. And all of them are just doing great. The bags, I have them in grow bags over here. And like I said, I make my own potting mix. I have a video. I'll show you the link in the description. The video. Some of the potting mix, how to make your own potting mix for pennies, for very cheap. Also, I have a link in the description, some of the fertilizers that I use. Like I said earlier, I use compost tea. I make my own compost tea. I have a video for that too in the description that's going to show you how you can make your own compost tea and get fabulous results like this. So those are some of the things that I'm using in the greenhouse. Control environment, it makes it even much better. So the vegetable is doing really great in the greenhouse, and we're just gonna continue going and continue harvesting. So stay tuned for that. I'll be back later on. Just watch, enjoy. So this is what we've harvested so far for bitter leaf. This is the bitter leaf that we've harvested in the greenhouse. This should be a good dish with bitter leaf soup that we can make with it, or we can make dole with it. So that's it for bitter leaf. So now we're gonna harvest anchia. Anchia is the next vegetable that we're gonna harvest. So you can see the leaves of the anchia. They're very big too. They are very big leaves. and we use the knife to harvest it. You can use your nails, you can use your hand to just break it off, but the knife is more faster and more efficient way of harvesting it. So you can just use a knife and put underneath it and put a pressure behind it and put a pressure in the front of the leaves and twist it, and it comes out. You break it out like that. So you can use the knife, you can use a finger, you can use your hand to just cut it out, but the knife is more efficient and much faster and easier to do it. So we're gonna continue harvesting the anchia right now. See how big it is. The anchia leaf is also very big. I've never seen anchia leaf this big. Okay, this is what we've harvested for anchia. We have quite a lot of anchia here. So we use anchia for different things. You can make different dishes and stuff, or you can add them to your soup. So now we're gonna start harvesting the sweet bitter leaf. Sweet bitter leaf, it's another, we also call it bekang. It's another variety of bitter leaf. So we're gonna harvest that right now. So this is some of the sweet bitter leaf that we harvested. I forgot to take a video or a picture of the bitter leaf after all the harvest. This is the greenhouse after harvesting. So like you saw earlier, we were harvesting over here, and all these were really full over here. So when we harvest in such a way that we're able to harvest every week, because we harvest just mainly the ones that are really grown and mature. We have some smaller ones that are still there that in a week time or maybe in 2 weeks we should be able to harvest more. So we harvest regularly, and so that the leaves keeps producing, the stem keeps producing. And you can see the greenhouse is a little bit more open now, especially down here where we had the the bitter leaf and the Anchia. At least you can see the containers now. At first everything was covered with the leaves, so everything is doing great. Everything looks great right now. There's a lot of space. You can see what's in there, what's behind. And so that's the greenhouse after harvesting. Hopefully within a week or two we should be able to get more harvesting done and be able to get more vegetables from our greenhouse. Let me know in the comments below if you grow any of these vegetables, or you intend to grow any of them. And if you grow in a greenhouse, also let me know in the comments below. And hopefully you guys have a fantastic growing season like we have right now in the greenhouse. And wish you guys all the best. If you have any questions, comments, leave them below. We'll try to answer as many of them as possible. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.